Big shakeup in global trade. Starting August 2025, President Trump is dropping a massive 50% tariff on everything America imports from Brazil. That's right half the price, just in taxes, on all those Brazilian goods you barely think about but use every day. But why now? What's driving this sudden move, and how does it land in your wallet? Let's dive in. Here's the background. Trump's been pushing what he calls reciprocal trade deals, but this isn't just about the economy. There's a political twist. Brazil is putting former President Jair Bolsonaro, Trump's close ally, on trial. Trump's not happy. He calls the trial a witch hunt, says Brazil is going after free speech, and even blames Brazilian courts for censoring American social media platforms like his own Truth Social. So, he's fighting back with tariffs. Now, here's what really matters to you. How does this hit your daily life? 10 ways, point by point. 1. IT coffee. Brazil supplies nearly a third of America's coffee beans. A 50% tariff? Your morning brew just got pricier. 2. Orange juice. 60% of our orange juice comes from Brazil. Get ready for sticker shock at breakfast. 3. Beef. Brazilian beef helps fill grocery shelves. Higher prices might hit your next cookout. 4. Not just food, think steel, machinery, airplane parts, all those Brazilian imports could see their prices jump. 5. Inflation. Those higher import costs, they ripple out, raising prices across the board. 6. Importers are scrambling to stock up before August. That rush could mean short-term shortages or even weirder price swings. 7. Supply chains get messy. Finding replacements takes time and money costs that get passed on to you. 8. Brazil could hit back. If they slap tariffs on US planes or fuel, American businesses and jobs could take a direct blow. 9. Uncertainty. The markets hate surprises. This could shake up confidence and spending all year. And with prices rising, you might switch to Colombian coffee or Florida orange juice, but don't expect it to be any cheaper. So, what now? Brazil is trying to talk things out before that August honest deadline. Their vice president is negotiating, hoping for an extension. Trump says he might exempt Brazil if they move production to the US or if the digital censorship stops. Meanwhile, he's launching a probe into Brazil's online rules, especially where they ban platforms like Truth Social. But some experts warn this move could actually boost President Lula's popularity back home. So what happens next? Will prices keep rising? Will Brazil fight back? Stick around for updates, because if your coffee gets pricier, you'll want to know why. Like, subscribe, and share